Tim with Marine Diagnostic Tools. Today we're connected to a 2007 John Deere 6068. You're going to find John Deere under Kohler, under Industrial Engines and Generators. We're going to get two blank tabs with this line on the left-hand side. So we're going to click that tab, and then we'll get a second one under Engine. We'll go ahead and click that blank tab. And that's going to bring up your vehicle code. We're going to go ahead and click the generator set, even though this is a propulsion engine. So we'll click that, and that'll bring up your diesel injection tab. We'll click that, and that'll bring up your start button and also your film strip button. If you click the film strip button, that will bring up the cable and cable number you need to use on this engine, which should be the AM24A. And it'll also give you a location of where that connector is on the engine and a little movie or film strip you can watch to see where it's at. So this page is going to pop up asking you if the ignition is turned on. Go ahead and turn the ignition on and press confirm. So the first page is going to pop up on the TEXA is going to be your fault page. Your red faults are active, your yellow faults are inactive. So if you click on the fault, it's going to give you your FMI number and your count number on that fault. And hit confirm. And go ahead and hit the parameters tab. That's going to give you all your values and parameters for the engine, your fuel delivery, throttle valve positioning, your counter, your temperatures and pressures. It's going to give you your injection time on this engine. It's also going to give you your battery voltage and your voltage on your different sensors included on the engine. We'll scroll through that. So the next tab we're going to go to is your ECU information tab. That's going to give you your information on the ECU. It's going to give you your engine serial numbers, your serial numbers and part numbers of that ECU, and different information. Okay. So now we're going to go to the activations tab. That's where you're going to find your tests. You have your compression test, cylinder cutoff test, engine load profile, and air memory clearing on this engine. We're going to go ahead and select the cylinder cutoff test. We're going to do a few cylinder cutouts to show you guys how that looks. This page is going to ask you if your engine's idling and what your engine coolant temperature is. You hit confirm to continue, cancel to end. So on the left hand side, that's going to tell you how to pick your cylinder. So we're going to scroll up or use the up arrow to go to cylinder 6. And we'll hit confirm, and if you notice on the engine speed or RPMs on the left hand side, that's going to drop, make a quick drop, and that's how you know the cylinder's cutting out. So we'll go to cylinder number 4 and do the same thing, and then we'll move to cylinder number 1 and do the same. As you can see, that RPM range is going to make a sharp drop, and that's how you know that cylinder is cut out. You also see the engine load percentage and the engine fuel rate while you're doing it. And this is a 2007 John Deere 6068. This is Tim with Marine Diagnostic Tools. Thanks for watching.